Hello dear students, today the topic of the class is voltage follower, current to voltage converter and virtual ground. By the end of the class you will be understanding what do you mean by virtual ground, what is a voltage follower and current to voltage converter. Let us start the class with the first topic, virtual ground. That is, the difference input voltage is ideally 0. How can we prove it? The op-amp basic equation you all know. Capital A, gain is equal to output by input, V0 by VID. What is the ideal value of A? Ideal value of A is what? Gain. Gain is infinity, ideal value is infinity. If A is infinity, what is VID value? 0. So VID is 0. What is VID? Difference input voltage. What is its equation? V1 minus V2. Since VID is 0, V1 minus V2 is equal to 0. So what we can write? V1 is equal to V2. In words we can say that is the voltage at non-inverting terminal of the op-amp is equal to voltage at inverting input terminal, provided that A is very large. Ideally A is infinity. Why this concept is required? Virtual ground concept is used in analysis of closed loop op-amp circuit. For example, for the derivation of gain, RIF, ROF and so on. Next topic of the class is current to voltage converter. In other words, we can say I to V converter. This is an application of an inverting amplifier with feedback. On the left side you can see it's an inverting amplifier with feedback. Why this circuit is inverting amplifier with feedback? Because input voltage Vin is applied to inverting or minus terminal of the op-amp, and there is a feedback from output back to the input through the feedback resistor RF. So to change this inverting amplifier with feedback to current to voltage converter, what we have to do? What the arrangement we have to do? Replace R1 and Vin by a current source IN. So we have replaced Vin and R1 by a current source IN and drawn the circuit. You all know what is ideal gain equation of an inverting amplifier? What is ideal gain equation? AF. AF is equal to V0 by Vin, which is equal to minus RF by R1. On rearranging the terms, we will get V0 is equal to minus times of Vin by R1 times of RF. How much is the voltage at V1? Here V1 is ground. So what is V1 value? 0 volts. Due to virtual ground concept, V1 is equal to V2 in ideal condition because A is large. So we got V1 is equal to V2 due to virtual ground concept. So you can write Vin by R1 is equal to IN, current. So what we are getting this equation now? V0 is equal to minus IN times of RF. That is, the input current is converted now to output voltage. So now you can easily tell what is the application of inverting amplifier with feedback? Current to voltage converter. What is its equation? I0 is equal to minus IN times of RF. Where this I to V converter circuit is used? For sensing current from photodetector. It is also used for digital to analog converter. So what we can summarize about it? Replace R1 and Vin by a current source IN. The circuit converts the input current IN into a proportional output voltage. I hope current to voltage converter is clear to all. So what we have done? Replace R1 and V in by a current source. So what will be its equation coming to be as V naught is equal to I minus I in times of RF. What is this negative sign indicating? That it is connected in inverting mode. Output and input are 180 degree out of phase. Now coming to the next topic, that is voltage follower. So this is a special case of non-inverting amplifier with feedback, or we can say voltage follower is an application of non-inverting amplifier with feedback. Why it is known as non-inverting? Because input voltage is connected to plus terminal and there is a feedback path, that is there is a feedback connection from output back to the input through the resistive network R1 and RF. To convert this non-inverting amplifier with feedback to voltage follower, what arrangement we have to do? Open circuit the R1 resistor and short circuit the RF. So we will get this circuit. This is known as voltage follower circuit. Voltage follower is an application of non-inverting amplifier with feedback. So what are the other names of voltage follower? Non-inverting buffer, or it is also called as unity gain amplifier. Now coming to the derivation, what is the ideal voltage gain of non-inverting amplifier with feedback? AF is equal to V naught by V in is equal to 1 plus RF plus R1, RF by R1. AF is equal to 1 plus RF by R1. Here what we have done in voltage follower circuit, we have made RF short circuit. So what is RF value? 0. So if RF is 0, we can write this gain equation as V naught by V in is equal to 1. It means AF is equal to V naught by V in is equal to 1, which can be rewritten as V naught is equal to V in. That is, output voltage is equal to input voltage. That is written in words here. The output voltage follows the input voltage. The voltage follower does not provide any amplification because the voltage gain is 1. Then what it do? It provides isolation between output and input. That is, it acts as a buffer. When the non-inverting amplifier is configured for unity gain, it is called voltage follower, because output voltage is equal to input voltage and is in phase with the input voltage. So what we can say? It is a non-inverting buffer because when placed between two networks, it removes the loading on the first network. So what we have understood in voltage follower? Output voltage is equal to input voltage because RF value is 0, because we have modified the circuit of non-inverting amplifier and derived and got the voltage follower. We have open circuited R1 and short circuited RF. So what is the gain of a voltage follower? 1, unity gain. So it is also known as unity gain amplifier or non-inverting buffer. I hope you have understood voltage follower, current to voltage converter and virtual ground. What is virtual ground? Voltage at non-inverting terminal is equal to voltage at inverting input terminal of the op-amp, because V1 is equal to V2 in ideal condition. A value is infinity. The voltage follower equation is V0 is equal to Vin. And coming to I to V converter, the output voltage equation is minus In times of Rf. I hope you have understood virtual ground, I to V converter, voltage follower. If you have any queries, post in comments. Thank you. Good luck, students.